Here's why I can't answer that, okay? That's a Wachovia bank policy question that you would have to ask them. Since I don't work for them, I don't know. There's a possibility, but I could say usually with signature lines, was it a business line of credit, for example, that you did a personal guarantee on? I mean, it depends on what their policy is as far as where they lay those on your credit or not. You know what I mean? It's almost the same as when you're dealing with a commercial real estate loan, a recourse or non-recourse loan. It's going to be dependent on the lender that you're dealing with and whether or not it actually ends up on your personal credit or not. You know what I mean? So you could talk to them and say, this was destined to be a business loan. You know, why is this hitting my personal credit? You can call them and say that, but I mean, that's going to be up to their policy. Okay, yes, sir.
Is there any particular advantage or disadvantage to doing it online versus through the mail?
I have found that it does not matter, typically. I have also found that your responses will come back much faster. So when you send out a letter, you have to understand there's a 3 to 5 day time frame for the snail mail to actually get there to start the dispute process. So you lose a week there, okay? So when you do it through Experian.com, or you actually do your TransUnion online, you'll notice that the dispute will actually go in that day, which means that that's when the 30 days start ticking, okay? Once the 30 days start ticking, you will notice that you'll get your responses back from the credit bureaus. You usually get a brand new report. There's like, here's your new report, and on the very first page it'll say, this is all the stuff that changed, or all the stuff you disputed that we have either verified, taken off, updated. It'll either say updated or removed. It'll tell you line by line for each issue that you had problems with. It'll tell you what happened, okay? And then it'll actually give you a whole new report behind it, all right?
Did you say that charge-offs create a tax event for debt relief?
Charge-offs, they will actually, they send you a 1099-T, which requires you by law to pay taxes on it. Why did they do that? It was an expense for them, and it was an income for you. Because if you